Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about Amazon QuickSight, a business intelligence service in AWS. We'll talk about the key features, benefits, and use cases for Amazon QuickSight. Let's get started. Amazon QuickSight is a fast, cloud-powered business intelligence service. It makes it easy for you to deliver insights to everyone in your organization. You can create and publish interactive dashboards that can be accessed from browsers or mobile devices. Amazon QuickSight enables you to embed dashboards into your applications, providing your customers with powerful self-service analytics. Amazon QuickSight easily scales to tens of thousands of users without any software to install, servers to deploy, or infrastructure to manage. It enables you to meet varying analytic needs from the same source of truth through modern interactive dashboards, paginated reports, embedded analytics, and natural language queries. Amazon QuickSight enables business analysts and business users to use natural language to build, discover, and share meaningful insights in seconds, turning insights into impact faster. Let's talk about the benefits of Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight offers the following benefits for an organization: BI for everyone, build faster, scale efficiently, and lower costs. Let's talk about each of these benefits of Amazon QuickSight. BI for everyone. Meet needs of all your users from the same source of truth with interactive dashboards, paginated reports, embedded analytics, and natural language queries. Build faster. Speed up development by using one unified authoring experience to build and share insights across modern dashboards, paginated reports, and embedded insights. Scale efficiently. Automatically scale to tens of thousands of users without the need to set up, configure, or manage your own servers. Lower costs. Pay only for what you need with QuickSight usage-based pricing. No need to buy thousands of end-user licenses for large-scale BI or embedded analytics deployments. Now let's talk about the use cases for Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight supports the following use cases, which cover the needs of a broad spectrum of customers: unify business intelligence silos, reinvent business intelligence, create and deliver paginated reports, and embed analytics to differentiate your applications. Let's talk about each of these use cases for Amazon QuickSight. Unify business intelligence silos. Amazon QuickSight powers data-driven organizations with unified business intelligence at hyperscale. With QuickSight, all users can meet varying analytic needs from the same source of truth through modern interactive dashboards, paginated reports, embedded analytics, and natural language queries. With Amazon Q in QuickSight, business analysts and business users can use natural language to build, discover, and share meaningful insights in seconds, turning insights into impact faster. Reinvent business intelligence. Amazon Q in QuickSight enhances business productivity using generative BI capabilities to accelerate decision-making. With new dashboard authoring capabilities in Amazon Q, business analysts can use natural language prompts to build, discover, and share meaningful insights in seconds. Amazon Q makes it easier for business users to understand data with executive summaries, a new context-aware data Q&A experience, and data stories. Create and deliver paginated reports. Create, schedule, and share reports and data exports from a single, fully managed, cloud-based BI service. Get business-critical information to users how and when they need it with critical operational reports and dashboards in the same solution. Embed analytics to differentiate your applications. Embed interactive visualizations and dashboards, sophisticated dashboard authoring, or natural language query capabilities in your applications to differentiate user experiences and unlock new monetization opportunities. In summary, Amazon QuickSight is a unified business intelligence at hyperscale. Using Amazon QuickSight, deliver insights to everyone in your organization. That's all for Amazon QuickSight. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.